Today, we're answering 3 of the most common questions we get from clients about staffing services. Whether you're new to outsourcing or exploring new vendors, this short Q&A will help clear up a few things. Question number 1. How do you ensure the candidates you provide are the right fit for our company? Great question. We start by deeply understanding your job role, company culture, and team dynamics. We screen candidates through a multi-step process: skill testing, background checks, and behavioral interviews. Our goal isn't just to fill a seat, it's to match the right person to the right environment. Question number 2. What industries do you specialize in? We cater to multiple sectors including IT, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, and more. Our recruitment specialists are industry-specific experts, so they speak your language and know where to find the top talent. Question number 3. What if the candidate doesn't work out? That's rare, but we have you covered. We offer a replacement guarantee period. If a candidate leaves or doesn't perform up to expectations within that time, we replace them at no extra cost. Your satisfaction is our priority.